So we're now inside our room here at Henann Prime Beach Resort. By the way, I booked a superior room and I booked this on Agoda because the rates in Agoda are more affordable. Plus, we have additional discount with my code OAWAGODA. So if you use that code, you can get up to 10% off on hotels worldwide. So as we enter to the right is a luggage rack. And to those who are asking about my luggage, I'm using the Savannah luggage. It's medium size by National Geographic. So if you want a luggage like this, I'll just put the link in this video. And our room comes with a single bed and a queen size bed. And across the single bed is the toilet and bath, which I will show you later. And right across the queen bed, there's a TV with cable channels. There's a wardrobe. Of course, you can hang your clothes here. And my umbrella if in case it rains. And for your valuables, there's a safety deposit box. And here at Henann Prime, they have laundry and pressing services. And they also provide hotel sleepers. And if you're bringing work here, there's the work/vanity area. And by the way, here at Henann Prime, they also offer in-room dining. And the room also comes with a dinette set, so pwede kayong kumain dito or simply have a coffee. And by the way, gusto ko pala dito sa Henann Prime because they provide 2 key cards, one for electricity and one yung key card mismo. And they also provide a pool towel card. And upon check-in, they'll also give you a stub for your welcome drinks that we can claim at their restaurant. And of course, our room is air-conditioned. And one of the reasons why I really like Henann because they're eco-friendly as what you can see. They provide the dito na picture and may available din namang water refilling stations around the resort. And let's check what's inside this cabinet. So meron tayong mini refrigerator and nandito naman may coffee cups, may drinking glasses, bottle opener, and may provided na tea, sugar, and drip coffee. By the way, itong superior room yung binook natin because this is the cheapest room type here at Henann Prime. But I was really surprised because the room here comes with a balcony. At natuwa ko kasi spacious yung balcony natin. And meron din tayo ditong coffee table set. And meron din ditong clothes drying rack. And I'm so grateful kasi kahit yung cheapest room type yung binook natin, still get to have the partial view of the pool. And let's now check the ensuite toilet and bath. Spacious yung toilet and bath natin, and it's neat and clean as well. There's the toilet area. And of course, this is a Henann hotel. Kompleto na sa toiletries. May bath foam, may lotion. We also have shaving kit, shower cup, cotton buds, and dental kits. And may soap din tayo. Of course, may hot and cold shower. May provided na rin na conditioner, shampoo, and may soap din dito. And actually, hindi ko nabasa yung details ng booking natin that our room also comes with a bathtub. Okay, we're finally done with our room tour and I'm so happy that I'm finally back dito sa Henann Prime. Actually, third time ko na pala dito. The first time I experienced this resort was back in late of 2017 when this was newly opened. Then 2020, bumalik kami dito. Henann Prime Beach Resort. Sobrang ganda ng room, guys. Then now, 2026, I'm here again at Henann Prime. And I should say, yung mga previous experiences ko dito were memorable kasi maganda yung service dito, maganda yung rooms, the amenities, and of course, this is a beachfront hotel dito sa Boracay. By the way, galing pala ako sa Henann Crystal Sands, so nag-check out ako doon around 12 noon. So dumating ako dito sa Henann Prime mga around 12:30 p.m. And mabait yung reception na dito, si Kim. She allowed me for early check-in. Nag-present lang ako ng valid ID and yung booking ko sa Agoda. Actually, during our previous stay dito sa Henann, we used to stay at the deluxe room. And first time ko lang try itong superior room kasi ito yung pinakamura sa Agoda when I was booking. And speaking of Agoda, you can also use my discount code where you can get up to 10% off on hotels. That's OAWAGODA. And if you're booking transfers or tours or even if you're buying eSIM, available na rin yan sa Agoda under Activities section. And I also have a discount code, that's OAW Activity. And since nasa Boracay po tayo, and if you're flying from Clark going here sa Boracay and you're flying via Sunlight Air, you can also get 10% off on your flights kung gagamitin niyo po yung code ko na OAW Sunlight 10. So time check, maaga pa, it's 3 p.m. Since maaga tayo pina-check-in, kaya maaga rin tayo natapos sa room tour. So ngayon, baba tayo. I'll tour you around Henann Prime Beach Resort. So there's our room. We're staying at room 317. And personally, I like the hallways here at Henann Prime. Maganda yung tiles, very neat and clean tignan. And if you're a senior po or you're a PWD with mobility concerns, don't you worry, they have elevators here. They also have a mini shop here where you can buy souvenirs, drinks, snacks, and many more. Nandito tayo sa ground level. Hindi ko na maalala kung saan yung path going to the pool. So there's a towel counter here. So dito nyo papapalit yung beach towel card for the actual beach towel. And if you want to elevate your relaxation, they also have massage by the pool here. So papause na lang if you want to see the rates. Technically, they have 4 pools here. Ito yung first one. And there's the second one. And right across is the third one. And there's the fourth pool. And of course, after you swim, meron ditong outdoor shower. So, akyat tayo sa second level, punta tayo sa gym. And there's the gym here at Henann Prime. And there's the reception area. If you smoke or you vape, meron din ditong smoking area outside. Diyan tayo galing, dyan yung room natin. And actually, yan yung Annex wing and East wing. And across the road is the beach wing. So tatawid tayo ngayon. Don't worry, may pedestrian naman dito. So pasok tayo ngayon sa beach wing. So it's very important pag magbubook kayo sa Agoda. Nakalagay naman doon kung beach wing. So beach wing, ito yung hindi na kayo tatawid. And nakalagay rin naman kung Annex wing or East wing. So pag yun yung ibubook nyo, tatawid pa kayo dito. Before we head to the beachfront, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung pool area dito sa beach wing. So may towel counter dito. And there's the pool area. May dalawang pool dito. Ito yung first pool area. And there's the second pool area. Grabe, na-miss ko itong Henann Prime. So we're now at Sea Salt, yung restaurant dito at Henann Prime. And from here, kitang-kita mo na yung dagat. So if you love lounging by the beach, they have beach beds here at Henann Prime. Okay, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa beachfront ng Henann Prime. So tide lang nga kayo, kaya ang layo ng tubig. So there's Henann Prime. And being in Station 1, konti yung tao dito. It's more peace and quiet. So if you're someone na ayaw na maraming tao and less tourists, perfect spot sa inyo itong Henann Prime. Okay, upo muna tayo dito sa beachfront and we claimed our welcome drink. And order na rin pala ako ng pasta. So mag-snacks muna tayo dito sa beachfront. Tikman natin yung welcome drinks. Sarap, malamig. Pa natin yung truffle pasta nila. Favorite ko to. So, Wala, pakita ko yung view natin habang kumakain tayo. Okay, time check. It's 7:30 p.m. and nakatulog ako after sunset. So, baba tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung pool dito at night. And look at the pool here at night. Ganda. Okay, time check. It's 9 p.m. and nandito tayo ngayon sa D'Mall, dito sa isa sa mga favorite restaurants namin in Boracay, Bukeria. Nag-tricycle na pala ako going here. By the way, yung tricycle from Henann Prime to D'Mall, mga 5 minutes lang naman. And it's 100 pesos pag special. Pero pag regular fare naman, it's only 15 pesos. Pero kung gusto niyo maglakad from Henann Prime going here, mga 20-minute walk yan. By the way, they have dinner buffet sa Henann Prime. And sobrang nakadami na ako ng buffet dito sa Boracay. Kaya mag-a-la carte muna tayo ngayon. Tara, kain tayo. Okay, time check. It's 9:30 p.m. and we're back na dito sa Henann Prime and tricycle na rin ako from D'Mall going here. As what I've said, is located in Station 1. So, mas malawak yung shore dito and for me, mas konting tao compared to the busy Station 2. So, if you're someone who doesn't want super crowded and maingay na beach, perfect sa inyo tong Henann Prime. And if you work remotely, they have a Wi-Fi here. So, check na natin yung internet speed dito sa Henann Prime. So, yan yung speed test result natin. It's 6.4 Mbps. So, this is good for social media browsing or checking emails. So we're now here on the sad part. We're checking out here at Henann Prime. By the way, check-in here is at 3 p.m. and check-out is 12 noon. And let's now have a quick review. First is the location. So this is in Station 1 of Boracay's White Sand Beach. So if you want a place here in Boracay na hindi masyado maingay and lesser people compared to the busiest Station 2, perfect sa inyo itong Henann Prime. At isa pa nagustuhan ko dito, may access sa Boracay Main Road itong Henann Prime. So perfect po ito kung senior kayo or PWD with mobility concerns. And next is the room. Actually, na-run off the house ako when I booked my room here at Henann Prime. Nag-check na ako sa Agoda. Then I just selected the cheapest room. So I ended up in this room, which is a superior room. It's given already for a Henann hotel na spotlessly clean yung room. And very comfy yung bed dito and pillows. Masarap lang talaga magpahinga dito. And since around of the house tayo, I didn't expect na yung superior room pala has a bathtub. And I really like that we have a spacious balcony with the net set na hindi ko rin nagamit since we're just staying here overnight. And may partial view rin tayo ng pool. I think the only con in our room is that hindi smart TV yung television natin. But it's okay kasi common naman yan dito sa mga hotels in Boracay. And next is the amenities. So if you're staying here at Henann Prime, marami kayong magagawa dito. To level up your relaxation, they offer massage by the pool here. And speaking of pools, they have lots of pools here dito sa building kung saan tayo nakastay ngayon. They have 4. And dun sa beach wing, they also have 2 na mahabang pools. If you're into fitness, they also have a gym here. And if you're someone like me who simply wants to relax and chill by the beach, they also have beach beds here. And next is the service. They have a good customer service here. The check-in process was seamless, so thanks to Kim of reception. And all the staff here are very warm and accommodating. Every time I bump into a staff, they greet me and they smile at me. Most especially yung guards dito and yung mga bellman nila. And in F&B naman, yung supervisor nila si Sir Chris. They are some of the staff na nakuusap ko dito and they're so warm and friendly. So para kanitong hotel nito, this is perfect for couples and perfect din to for families. I've seen a lot of families staying here at Henann Prime. As for the rates, unfortunately, I cannot give you the exact rates since rates of hotels dito sa Boracay are dynamic. So meaning they depend on availability and most especially season. I'm shooting this vlog on May, so it's super peak season. So medyo pricey yung hotels dito. I actually booked this room at around 6,700 pesos a night with buffet breakfast na yan. But during off-peak season or low season, I'm sure mas mababa yung rates na yan. How to book? So it's actually cheaper in Agoda. Kaya sa Agoda ako nag-book. Plus we have a discount code where you can get up to 10% off on hotels worldwide by using my code OAWAGODA. And para mas madali, I'll just put the QR code in this video. Just simply scan it so that my code is auto-applied. If you're a Klook user naman po, you can also use my discount code. It's OAWKLOOK. And lastly, if you're flying via Sunlight Air, may route si Sunlight Air from Clark to Boracay. And marami pa silang route around the islands of the Philippines. You can get 10% discount on your Sunlight Air flights by using my code OAW Sunlight 10.